How to enable biometrics in WillTrade application. Hello and welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily enable the biometrics in the WillTrade app so that you can make easier logins faster and safer on your device. So the first thing to do is to launch open the WillTrade app on your smartphone or tablets and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go ahead and click on My Account at the bottom right corner. After you're inside the My Accounts page, go ahead and tap on the gear button or the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. On the next page, tap on Account and Security. Once you see this tab, scroll down under Security Verification and tap on App Lock. Inside App Lock, toggle on the button right next to Biometrics. On your iOS device, you might see the Face ID option, just toggle it on. Once you switch this button on, you'll need to confirm your identity. Scan your Face ID or your biometrics, and then you'll be able to enable biometrics lock on WillTrade. Make sure that your device already has fingerprint or face unlock set up in the system settings, and once it has, you can easily make your WillTrade account more secure and much quicker to access. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.